Yung work namin has a potential to revolutionize transportation. Na-improve niya yung sustainability, efficiency, and safety. Ang work ko dito ay isang AI annotator. Ang role namin is to make the road safer sa other vehicles at sa mga pedestrians. Pinifigure out namin if there's a road blockages or road closures. We need to be accurate, especially on the speed limit, traffic signs, road signs, and traffic light. With this AI tool, nakapag-issue kami ng commands for specific movements and maneuvers. Importante siya kasi naapektuhan niya yung pamumuhay ng isang tao pang-araw-araw. Minimake sure ko na makakarating sila ng ligtas at mas mabilis sa kanilang patutunguhan by giving clear directions. May mga bagay kasi na ang tao lang nakakagawa, di nagagawa ng AI. Minsan na nakakonfuse si AI, kaya kailangan ng human intervention to make decisions. Being part of the AI technology is rewarding para sa akin. Yung makarating sila sa destination nila ng safe and sound is satisfying to me. It is not my win, but our win. Kasama yung mga teammates ko, TL, saka manager. We share the best practices. Teamwork makes the dream work.